everybody, Phil Friedman here, and welcome on board the Amigo as we are all set for another Friedman Adventures trip. We're going to be heading out looking offshore for some bluefin tuna, and we have high hopes for a great day. Captain Mark Paisano is up in the wheelhouse, and the boys are glassing trying to find some fish. What do you think, man? It's all business up there in the wheelhouse. The boys are glassing, staying in communication with other boats, keeping their eyes out for kelp patties and so much more. When you work hard, it pays off. Nice going. First fish of the day, Michael.
Got to get it on the boat.
Let's do this. Nice. Way to go, Michael. Woo-hoo! Very nice. Good job. First fish of the day. Good morning, Bill. Good job. How's that feel?
Great.
What wisdom do you have for us this morning, Mark?
Get a bait in the water.
Joe with a nice bluefin tuna. Woo! Check that out. Nice job. Beautiful. Good job, Horacio. Woo! Por su hijo. Nice, Bill.
All right.
Phew. Tuna, baby.
Oh, Nelly.
Yellowfin.
Nice yellowfin. Woo!
How you do it on the Amigo.
Yeah, nice job.
Yeah.
Nice fish, boys. Nice yellowfin tuna. Woo!
Good job, Dave.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look how beautiful that yellowfin is.
God, it's gorgeous.
Perfect catch.
Horacio, second fish. Good job.
Thank you.
We got to get your son out here someday.
Saludos, Sebastián.
Joe, smile. Woo! Get him, Horacio. They are starting to chew. We got 3 fish going here now. Mark.
A little bit, Bill.
Woo! Nice fish, Horacio.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Wow. Horacio, good job.
Thank you.
Another nice fish.
Want this one? Want this one?
Good job.
Thank you.
We got to get your son out here.
Aquí estoy, Sebastián. Va para ti. Va for you.
Yellowfin.
For you.
Here again, trying to do it.
Do it, Steve. It's always good to see you here.
It's great to be out here. Stick it in like this, right behind the dorsal fin.
Perfect. Good luck.
Thanks.
Hey, Mark, why is Joe always bit?
I don't know.
Man, come on, be honest. The man knows what he's doing.
A little bit.
Hey, Mark, I'm ready to cut him off already.
As long as it takes, Bill. As long as it takes.
Well, it might take 3 hours with this guy.
Well, no. It's not going to take 3 hours. We'll cut them off before then. You made that fish feel the...
Hey, Steve, he's going to need that oxygen tank anytime now.
Bluefin.
Bill, get him.
Try our best.
He's just trying to give you something to get on video.
Oh, yeah, well, I've got enough.
All right.
Land the damn thing, Joe.
No. I got this.
Oh, shit. You guys got mono.
Stop right there, Joe. Where'd you go? Get around the boat quick. Get around the boat.
Go. Go. He's right here.
Pull that slack out of the water.
Grab it, Mark.
Got it, Joe. Come on, Joe. Get with me.
I got it. Sorry.
Close, bro.
Come on, Joe. Over the top. You guys need to switch to the hip.
Hey, Mark, we got color. Go, Mark.
All right.
Nice fish. Right here, Mark. Beautiful. Woo! That's a nice one. Bill, good job.
Thank you.
Woo! Comment on Joe's technique here. What do you say? Critique it.
Textbook.
Yeah, right? Guys bit all the time. He showed us how to butt hook a bait earlier. And was that a long soak, Joe?
Yes.
Job.
Hey, you guys did great. Getting me out of those tangles.
Believe it or not, it's the same one.
Hey, Mark, he's coming.
Woo! He's coming.
High gear. Back. Hey there. Mucho grande. Shit. Tight.
Is this just the first quarter, Joe?
Lynn, nice job. Perfecto. Nice fish, Joe.
Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, isn't it? Walk downside a little bit, Joe. Circle it under, okay? Don't let it grow.
A beautiful bluefin tuna taking on 30-pound fluorocarbon. Great job, Joe. Good job, buddy. Woo! What a battle. Yeah!
Pop over.
Nice. Very cool. Nice going, Joe. Woo! What a beast.
Yeah, take that gap out.
Nice. Excellent. Whoa.
1-0 Hayabusa.
You like those?
They work.
Yep. Very
Tried
good.
them out. They work. They didn't straighten out.
Love it. Nice fish.
Thank you.
I know. You gonna take a bite?
No, I'm good.
Aboard the Amigo, your catch goes immediately into refrigerated seawater. The result? Sushi, quality fish when you get home.
Scatter on the sonar.
Get him, Dave! Woo! Get him in!
Heck yeah. Next to the float right here.
Oh! Again! Up down to 25 and got a bite. You think that was the key?
Could be. What's going on?
Woo!
Finally bit.
Right.
Coming down. Maybe like a minute and a half, 2 minutes, maybe. 2 minutes probably. Yeah, put your rod through there.
One thing about the bluefin tuna on this Friedman Adventures trip on board the Amigo was that they were not only powerful, but they were big. There were mixed fish, but there were a lot of really hefty, big, fat bluefin tuna. That's George, everybody. He's been providing us with excellent food. Mark, well, it's good to see you, George. Mark Paisano spotted some breezers off our bow, and we're in search of, right now, beautiful weather here, as we're looking to see if we can see some breaking fish that were off our bow a moment ago. Stay tuned.
Who's tag teaming with this? With me.
Luckily, it is sunset right now.
Who does not have?
What are you doing?
Trying to get this bastard in.
You got a big fish. Good job, buddy.
I'm getting line on it.
All right, Carlos.
When you stand, you gotta stand like this. Not like this.
Put it to him, Carlos.
Got a lot of mono on top of this thing? 50 yards. 50 yards.
No, 30 yards.
John. Yeah, you are smiling.
I told you had one in there somewhere.
Beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Long soak.
John? Angler John Garma did a great job on this bluefin tuna, and you can see the power of these magnificent fish as it's gaffed and struggles to get away. John put the screws to this beautiful big bluefin tuna, but a little later in this show, you're going to see John Garma catch a fish that will blow your mind. Beautiful fish. Nice going, John. Congratulations, my friend. Good job, buddy. Beautiful fish. Good job, Ed. Keep on him. Ed's getting this big fish closer and closer. We have deep color on it now. Great fishing on the Amigo. Big fish, tough fish. This on the fly line. Ed is so relaxed and doing things just textbook. Ed is new to the Friedman Adventures family, but man, he's a big part of it already. I love the way he fights these fish. He's so calm. He is so under control. He does everything right. But when that fish hits the deck, man, he's ready to celebrate. Fish, man. Yeah, Ed.
Hold him, my baby.
Yeah, yo.
How you feel? I fighting a fish.
Get this wrong camera, Phil! Fighter! Who needs one?
Fighter!
Tuna yet? Come and see Sonora.
Nice. Whoa. Good job.
Got it?
Yep, got it.
Nice. Beautiful, Mark. Thank you, boys. Good job, Steve. Woo!
Another fatty.
Man, on the rod that you won.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Good job.
Thanks to Friedman Adventures.
Biting. Fresh one. They're biting here.
Who doesn't have a fish yet?
Sundown bite. Good job, buddy. Smile over here just one time. Yeah. Get him.
I got it.
What happened, man? You saved the rod? What happened, Ed?
Came out of my hand, bro.
Oh my God! How'd you save it?
These guys saved it.
Oh my God!
Thank you, brother.
How did you do that, Dave?
Swung my rod and grabbed it.
Oh my God! Give me this one more time again. His rod was tangled with the fish. It was going up the rail, and you used your rod to scoop it up.
Absolutely.
And then he grabbed it.
And then he grabbed it, and we saved the day.
You saved him about $1,000 is what you saved him.
Absolutely.
Nice job.
All right.
All right, I'm coming. Darn it. Get over there, Greg. Come in. Nice job, boys. Nice job, John.
The garbage fathom.
Man, good job on the fathom. Hey, good job, buddy.
Thank you, man.
Woo!
Pulling on a little tuna.
Nice job, buddy.
Hey.
Nice. Michael, good job, buddy.
Let's go.
Beautiful. Nice one, Carlos. Nice job. Woo! Hey, John, good morning.
Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Good morning.
Good. You don't sound awake, man. You've been up all night.
Yeah, but
What did you fit on?
jig.
That jig?
That's jig.
What did he do? Did he put jam down your leg?
He put orange marmalade all over my leg.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And then I gave him the
Nice, Scott.
tapatio. Good morning, Scott. Not only did you shut us down on this, look over here, Nick. Don't be bashful. But John stayed up all night last night, didn't he? I know.
Dropped on I don't know how many schools last night.
Up to the bow we go. Early morning. John, how long you been on this now, John? How long, Nick? 15 minutos, not too bad. 25 minutes now. That's my guess, John. What do you think? About right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a good fish, man.
Yeah.
You're doing everything right. Hey, Mark, what's going on here?
First thing in the morning here, we got one fish on the boat, 30-pounder. One nice one hanging in the bow, 100-pounder hanging in the bow on the jig. And my good friend Ed here has just hooked the first fish on the fly line.
Oh, Ed, way to go.
So we are in daytime, officially in daytime mode here, fly line fish.
I'm loving it, Ed. That wouldn't happen to be the rod that got saved yesterday, would it?
Yes, it is.
All right.
Good story to that one.
I know, man.
So anyway, we got one on the boat and two hanging this morning.
All right,
We're
let's
starting
get
off.
him. Good job, boys. Not only is that the rod that was saved, but there's the guy who saved it. Dave, saved.
it.
From Shafe Air Conditioning. Good job, Dave. Might as well get a plug in there, right?
That's it.
Totally embarrassed Dave here. Dave made a very generous donation to help us send a bunch of food and medical supplies to Mexico. Dave, you're the man.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Anytime.
Right.
God bless you.
Got two fish coming together here. John's going under. Here comes Ed. Good job, Ed. Joe, let me jump in front of you there. Thanks.
You okay, Nick?
Yeah, right, this way, John. Come on, Ed.
Coming around.
Oh, I was sweating. It's cold out here.
So Nick, so catch.
What's happening, Ed? Can you go over me? Is that too much trouble?
Sure, brother.
Shit, Ed, you have another real one?
Same one.
Are you near anything?
Yes, John. 45 minutes? Something like that?
I don't know.
Are you pooping out at all or not? Is it beating you up?
I'm okay.
A little bit?
A little, but I'm okay.
Good job.
I'm gonna kill this fish.
Good, good, good.
All right.
Good job, Mark. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, bigger grade fish.
Wait a minute. Let me change the bait.
After about an hour of fighting this fish, we finally got a look at it, and it looked to be every bit of 200 pounds. A magnificent creature coming to gaff on board the Amigo after a long, tough battle. John!
Yeah!
Ready?
Oh my God! What a fish!
Fuck yeah, John!
John! Mark! Woo!
Fuck yeah, John!
Hell yeah!
Woo!
Weighs as much as me.
Oh yeah, that's really pushing too.
Thanks,
right there.
Phil.
Come on,
Got me out
John.
here, baby.
Staying up all night, man. Good
Huh?
job. Good job.
Let's go.
Nice one, Ed.
Color.
Good job, Travis.
Yeah, thank you.
Travis, good job.
Thank you.
Nice, beautiful. Hey, good job,
Thank
buddy.
you.
Ed, nice job. I got all tied up on that giant fish and I missed
All
you.
good, brother.
Nice job, beautiful fish.
I'll take them.
Fly line?
Fly line.
All right, beautiful. Hold on.
That's it. Get your camera, Nick. Take a picture of that.
Tied up with this thing.
7 days.
Feels like it, huh?
Gotta move.
Get it up, get it up, get it up, get it up. Lean on it, lean on it. Put your feet right up by its head, John. Like a bee. Put your feet like a bee.
Hell yeah, John. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay, get out of the way, boy.
Now, you ready, John?
West Coast Jiggers, KB, all black, polka dots. Monster Game, PE8, Megalodon. Get her done.
All right. Oh, fresh one.
That's it.
That's enough.
That's it.
Give me some, John.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Thank you guys.
Good job, John. Nice doing.
Great job, man.
You don't have to lie.
Oh, he's on a single speed. Just put a hurt to it.
Bill, old school, single speed. Bill don't need no stinking 2-speed.
Comes up giving the fit.
Maybe he does.
One more time around, Bill.
Old school Bill's getting close. Or Wild Bill. I don't know which one I like better. You gonna walk it back, Nick?
All right.
Nice fish! Beautiful. Love it. Good job. Bill, nice going. Stays on. What's up, Ed? Get him, Ed. Good job, Ed. Another nice one.
Roger. Yeah, we're...
Hey, Ed, good job. Let's go, boys. Let's make this happen here.
This is Warship 20 off of your bow, hailing you on channel 16, over.
Get him, Joe. Come on, Joe, smile.
At least do
Yeah. Another big, beautiful bluefin tuna for Joe Martinez. Way to go, Joe. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful. Good job, Joe. On 30 pound?
Yes.
Celebrate a little, man.
He's tired.
Woo. Free,
Joe, free.
Oh,
Did it really?
Hey, he swallowed it too bad. Look.
What do you say?
Mark, he swallowed. Oh no, it's in this corner. Look. Wow. Right in the corner. No, don't break it.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
That's his lucky hook.
I'm yelling at Joe.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay?
That's fine. Yell some more.
Help the goddamn. Hey, help him out there, Mark. Mark, he can't do it.
Be like a bee. Put your feet like a bee right there. Like this.
By his
Right
head.
here, right here. There you go. There you go.
Atta boy. It's about time.
There you go. You're gonna have to get a little dirty, Joe. Right there.
Yeah.
All right, video, Joe. First of all, nice, Joe.
Yeah.
Woo!
You didn't film that.
Can we stay positive?
I'm positive.
Positive about what?
We're gonna catch him on this kill.
Where are you going?
Get on the bait tank. Whoa. Yes, Bill. Uncle Bill. Look at that. Don't make me stretch your neck. Easy guy. Stop filming me, Bill. Let's go.
Heading home now on board the Amigo, pointed our bow toward 22nd Street landing in San Pedro with a light rain falling and flat calm seas. Man, we created memories for a lifetime. A great group of anglers, the crew on the Amigo, fantastic, and some really big, memorable catches. It was another great Friedman Adventures trip on board the Amigo. I can't wait to do it again really, really soon. Well, I guess all good things must come to an end. And so this great trip on the Amigo for Friedman Adventures was starting to wind down. The boys were cleaning the boat and cleaning the fish as we were greeted by a magnificent sunset right there at Angel's Gate in San Pedro, California, USA, headed back to 22nd Street Landing. The sunset was beautiful, and it gave us all a moment to pause and ponder the great times and the great things we've seen during this great trip. That 205-pound bluefin tuna by John Garma, the rod that went in the water and was saved by Dave Schaaf. That was another great moment. And of course, Steve with an oxygen tank on his back out in the great outdoors, experiencing the great fishing and not letting anything slow him down. A true inspiration to me and everyone else on board. And of course, there were the great catches for everyone else and the wonderful people, the people that came out to fish and the great crew on board the Amigo. I'm telling you, it simply can't get any better than that. Add to it some great times on the water, and it's a trip that is really hard to beat. We'll be back out on the Amigo soon again, and I hope you get out and catch some fish in the very near future. Take care, my friends.